Welcome to another episode of Asia Unscripted. We are here in Cebu Business Park, which is another, another place for expats to live, another place where Filipinos work. There's a lot of offices, a lot of BPOs. Over there is a taxi stand, a couple of office buildings. You can pick up a motorbike taxi if you want over there. Across the street there's a BPO, customer service jobs. Over here is another version of the Mercado. I showed you guys the Mercado in IT Park. But they have a smaller one here in Cebu Business Park. This building over here is the part of the Ayala Mall, which this mall is, I think it's the 7th largest mall in the Philippines. It's really huge. But I'm not going to show you that in this video. Let's take a walk. Construction is always happening around here. Where we are in town. All the streets in this business park are named after areas of the Philippines. So Mindanao and Bohol, those are islands. I don't know if you guys can see the sign over there. This is Cebu Business Park. You are entering private property. So this is not a public area, so you have to follow the rules in these areas. They do have their own security. If you don't follow the rules, they can just kick you out. So I believe Cebu Business Park is owned by the Ayala Corporation. Insure Life, that's a insurance company. They have their offices here. Pretty nice office building up there. Oh. You'll find a bunch of banks along the ground level of these buildings. As we're walking, you'll see more of them. There's an armored truck. That's what they look like here in the Philippines. So I don't know if you remember in IT Park, I showed you guys Teleperformance. They have another office here. We're gonna try to cross this street. That's Ayala Mall over there. Behind Ayala Mall, there's some condos that are going up. Very expensive condos. So let's cross. So again, all of the streets here are named after the islands in the Philippines. Yeah, this is the entrance into Ayala. That's why this intersection is so busy. So busy. BPI Bank. That's one of the main banks in the Philippines. Back there we have Citibank from the US, but people have told me you really can't use your accounts from the US here. You have to get a Philippines Citibank account if you want to do everyday business. This building's got the Mercedes-Benz logo on top. It's the Mercedes-Benz Tower. I don't know how many people here have Mercedes-Benz, but some more construction going on behind here. Another tower going up. The economy here is going pretty strong right now. I don't know if that's going to continue with what's going on with the virus, but as of right now, things are still pretty strong here. So there's some jeepneys, people getting off and on. It's the main form of transportation here. I don't use them because, well, they don't have air conditioning. I don't want heat stroke. Here's a small little park. People mostly use it to get from the mall out to the jeepneys. The jeepneys in Cebu, they all have numbers. So this one is 04L. So just like in the States, you know what route to look for. So this one, 04L, goes to La Hogue, Ayala, SM. The Philippines does have urgent care centers. So that's what that Maxi Care is across the street. So usually it's about $10 to go in and be seen. Not very expensive at all. Not very expensive. And then, you know, whatever else you need, x-rays, medication, blood tests, whatever, those cost extra. But just to see a doctor, to talk to a doctor, it's about $10. That's no insurance, that's just cash only, which is pretty good, pretty great. This Cebu Business Park, 30 years ago, if you were here, this would have been a golf course. So this golf course sold out to Ayala, and now you see what's here. We got, it looks like any city in the US, pretty much, any downtown area. So this is the exit from Ayala Mall, which is always busy too. We're gonna try to cross it. Now is a good time to cross. So the people who developed the largest building, the tallest building in the world, they are designing this building here. So there's another skyscraper going up. It should be unusual design. It's the one in the tallest building in the world. I don't remember the name of it. That's a pretty unusual design. So hopefully soon, Cebu will have an interesting skyline. So as you see here, transforming Cebu City skyline with an iconic tower. Alright, so this is the end of part 1. I will do a part 2. I don't want to make the videos too long. But if you go down this way a little bit further, you have a Holiday Inn hotel that's going up. You have a couple more condos that are down there. Some more office buildings. So I will see you guys on part 2 of this video. So for Asia Unscripted, I will see you guys again soon.